Under the radiant morning sunlight, Viettiles factory had the honor of welcoming the spouses of ambassadors from various countries for a visit. The presence of these distinguished guests not only reflects their special interest in Vietnam's building materials industry, but also serves as an occasion to foster cultural connections and friendship between nations. The spouses were not only captivated by the artisan's craftsmanship, but also thoroughly delighted to witness firsthand the meticulous process involved in creating each tile with utmost attention to detail. Stories of the workers' skill and creative spirit made for meaningful exchanges throughout the visit. This tour helped strengthen the cooperative relationship between Viettiles and the visiting countries, paving the way for future opportunities for collaboration and sustainable development. Viettiles is proud to serve as a bridge, bringing the products of Vietnamese artisans to international friends.